My sister, she's oh, you'll find out pretty soon.
No, you're gonna tell me.
Well, I don't mean to say that, but my sister, she came over here. She's my father's jail. She's a drug addict. She's kind of relapsing. She had an issue. She came over here, venting, and it kind of escalated.
What do you mean by escalated?
Yeah, she's getting physical.
Okay, keep your head.
Shirt. I mean, she's going with my father. So.
Is she on drugs right now?
I believe so.
Hello? Hello? Come out here.
No!
Yeah.
Come on.
No!
She needs to get back arrested.
No!
Ma'am.
Yeah, stop.
Start units 1018.
Get away from me! Jesus Christ, Caleb. Now you go! Alright. Stop! Caleb, stop! Stop!
Fuck you!
God damn it!
Fuck you, Sean! You did this, bitch! You did this! You did this! You piece of shit! You piece of shit! You killed me!
Open up the door.
You still fucking cunt! Kill me! I hate you! I hate you! I hate you! I'm still gonna get shit! I'm still gonna get motherfucker! Rape me, bitch! Kill me, bitch! Kill me, bitch! Fuck you, bitch! Fuck you! Fuck you! You stupid bacon! You stupid bitch!
She needs help. Maybe if you're laughing.
Get my knees to the top! I hate you! You're calling me a felony suicide! I'm gonna show you how to look, you stupid bitch!
Yeah, help me get her up. Let's get her in the car.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
On your side.
It's like she's in this like a single beat hard one.
Fucking thing!
Are you fucking kidding me, Kaylee?
Let's put the window in my car.
You're my bitch, you fucking pig!
You got it on, Kaylee.
Where you choose, you cop? Where you fucking kill?
Spit mask.
I'm trying to think if I have one. She spit on him?
Yeah, we should handle her right now. Just relax, we got it. You relax.
You looking for one?
Yeah.
We got one. It's still going.
Oh, okay. We found one. We found one.
You got one?
Yeah, we found one.
He needs a towel or something to wipe his face off.
Okay. So I just Hey, you want to wipe off? That's you can wipe off. Yeah, you gotta screw it. Just wipe off with we might have to put her in my car because I have the double cage with the hobble. Because I don't know how we're gonna hobble her and put her back into a single.
Okay. So you want to open your...
Put her in there.
Put her in this single one.
Yeah, and just pull the thing in the front by the outside the door. Close the door.
Let me open this.
So how we want to do this first? You want to put the spit mask on first, right?
Yeah, spit mask on first.
So open it up. Grab by him. And push it out.
Push all of this up. Yeah, until we get this on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you gave him a spit mask.
no, that was just for he wanted to wipe his because he had spit all over inside. That was open, so Michelle just wanted him to wipe his face off.
Trying to put that in my pocket. Whatever.
So that's how I go right now. Just like that. The face go through there. Right?
It's supposed to be there? How do we tighten this?
Back.
Oh, maybe it's this way. What is this one? No? How does this work?
Bro, she gonna be suffocating.
No, as long as
No, because you have to have this over her face too, because it'll go through the mesh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
just
okay.
go
So it has to
So
go.
it gotta go like this.
so this is head, and then this is
Yeah, just put that stays.
That stays inside.
That stays inside. Just
Alright,
put it
alright.
on top of her.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, that stays inside.
So put it back in.
I think it's the opposite,
Just like that.
because then we tighten it like that,
how do you tighten it?
right?
You want to tighten it?
Yeah, when we get on top
Yeah, I
of it.
think it is like this,
Do that.
like this,
Yeah,
and then you tighten
tighten
this.
up.
Alright, yeah,
Right?
yeah.
I don't know. It's weird. Let me go around. There you go. Here we go.
I'm motioning you.
Motion
Alright.
all the way.
Ready?
On you.
You! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Damn left. Move your damn left. All right, stay right there. Move back up and sit down. Back in, get inside and sit down. All right, wait. Hold the right leg. Hold this right leg right here. All right, I got this left leg first coming up. Left leg coming up. Sit down. Sit down. Now you
I am!
Now move back now.
I am, bitch!
All right,
You stupid cunt! Do you not see me concentrating?
I can't see
You
what you
stupid
guys are
fuck!
doing.
You stupid fucking
Just get her out, put
goddamn
her on the
cunt
ground. I
stuff!
can help.
You stupid fucking idiot!
Get out. Get out. Ah! Bring your leg and sit down right here.
Fuck you! I hate you, Sean! I hate you, Sean! Sean, I hate you! I hate you, Sean! I hate you, Sean! I hate you, Sean! You're taking pictures, you dumb fucking cough pig! Because that's the only thing you're good at! Because you guys can't do anything else! You guys can't interact with anyone else! You stupid fuck! You guys can't interact with anybody! Like fucking sex offenders! Like
Oh
anybody!
yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna connect it back to
I will
this.
take this mask off you good!
Or do we want to? I don't think it'll reach all the way back there. It's fine like that.
All right, we ready?
Get the fuck off me, you
One,
stupid cunt!
2, 3, up. Let's go.
I hate you all! I hate you all!
Sit. Stay.